Today we're gonna work with an ingredient that most of you guys have, Parmesan cheese. All right, I'm gonna show you how to make some wings with Parmesan cheese. Rather than smothering grandma's spaghetti with this, we'll put this into a marinade and put it on top of some chicken wings. It's fresh, it's new school. Come check it out. All right, and this is gonna be another fast recipe, so music please. First thing, get out your food processor or use a blender like me. First ingredient, I'm using Cheongyang chili peppers. I have 5 of these. If you wanna use jalapeno peppers, that's fine, it's a good substitute. Use 2 of them, take the ends off, and then just chop them in. And then I learned from my last video, so I'm gonna quickly wash my hands here. Then 4 cloves of garlic. You can quickly cut off the end piece, and in they go. And next, with our Parmesan cheese, 4 tablespoons. That's 1 and 4. This is gonna give both the saltiness and that cheesy flavor. 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. That's 1 and another half. 3 tablespoons of virgin olive oil, and the 3rd tablespoon. Then 1 teaspoon of salt, and then finally a few cracks of black pepper. Machine on. Give this a good blitz. All right, if it gets stuck like this, you can just slowly add a little bit more oil. All right, that almost looks like a smoothie. And empty it out. And here I have around 15 wings. Add them into our sauce. Just mix it in. Almost looks like guacamole now. Yeah, looks beautiful. Cover this with some plastic wrap. Put them in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. That way they don't just have surface level beauty, you know, they get some time to develop some personality, get that flavor in them. Now what you're looking at is the unveiling of the new state-of-the-art Toaster 4000, complete with the rice cooker on top. Yeah, we got a little toaster oven because in Korea there's not enough space for a traditional oven, but we want to do some baking. All right, for today's recipe, let's do around 180 degrees Celsius. That should be all right. No, maybe back a couple of inches. No, maybe. All right, and we'll let that preheat. It's been 30 minutes. If you left it in there for 1 hour, even better. I'll put the chicken down. And woo, boy, am I excited. All right, I'm gonna start with these 9 and I'm gonna save a few for Katie. All right, let's put this on here and in you go. And then let's set the timer for 15 minutes. All right, and then we'll come back, we'll take a look and we'll flip them over. Do you hear that? Heavenly raindrops. Oh my. 15 minutes is up. I'm gonna quickly take this out, flip them over. I'll put them back in and then cook for about 10 to 13 more minutes. Woo! Y'all know what that means. It's still singing in there. Guys, it's still singing in there. I mean, just perfect, guys, just perfect. Nice crust. And our chili pepper wet rub, it's mixed on there. It kind of looks like salsa verde that's been attached on top, but look at all the sauce on top. Throw a little bit of our fresh chili peppers on top. There you have it. Woo! I'm gonna just have to take a bite. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. It's so good. I ended up eating the whole thing, but let me show you what it looks on the inside. Let me take another one. Wow, the exterior is just brilliant. A little bit of spice. You get a little bit of the saltiness from the Parmesan cheese, and then a slight hint of the garlic. It's an instant hit.